The holy month of Muslim, Ramadan. Hi, I'm Museb Ahmed from class TYBA from Chogle College. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar, observed by the Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. The amount of observance of Ramadan is regarded as one of the five pillars of Islam. There are more other pillars like the Hajj, the Zakat, the Fitrah, and many other things. And charity are some of the pillars of Islam. The Ramadan begins at the last night of the month of Shaban and ends at the last month of the Ramadan. In Ramadan, the fasting begins from sunrise till the sunset, and it is a first that is compulsory for all the adult Muslims, except the one who are not ill, or traveling, or elderly, or breastfeeding, or menstruating. The morning meal is referred to as suhoor or sari, which begins before the morning azan or prayer, and a person who is keeping a fast cannot eat after the azan, or there is a certain time provided where the person has to stop the suhoor or sari. And the nightly feast that breaks the fast is called as iftar, where a person can break the fast before the Maghrib namaz or the prayer after the sunset, where the person breaks the fast with a date or water or anything that is available to break a fast. Between this, the person cannot eat anything or not drink a single sip of water. During this month, Muslims devote more time to prayer and acts of charity. The fast also makes people realize like how a poor person feels when he is hungry. The aim of fasting is also compassionate towards the poor people. This is the month where the doors of the heaven are open and the Satan or devil is present. This is the holy month in which the good deeds increase by 70 times. This is the month whose first 10 days are Rahman and middle 10 days are the Maghfirah, that is the forgiveness. And the last 10 days are the freedom from the hell. Anyone who keeps the fast of this month, all of his sins are forgiven. This is the month in which all the sins are forgiven. This is the month in which earning of the people are increased. This is the month in which the dead will not have been asked questions in the grave. This is the month in which sleeping is also a worship to the person who is fasting. This is the month in which most certain in the Holy Quran. This is the month in which 60,000 sinners get released from the hell. This is the month in which 1 million people get released from the hell every Friday. This is the month in which the Holy Quran came down to the. And after the 29 or the 30 days of fasting, finally the fasting are broken by sighting of the crescent moon. And the next day, the Eid is celebrated worldwide. So the next will show you an interview with an Islamic scholar. Hello, this is Museb Ahmed. We are over here to take the interview about the Ramzan from Raid Sheikh. So, sir, can you just Please give us a small information about Ramzan, like a brief one.
So Ramzan is basically a holy festival all over the Muslims, all over the world actually. So it is a 9 month of the Islamic calendar. It begins in the month of Shaban and it ends in the night of Ramzan.
It ends in the night of Ramzan.
Yeah. So basically people do fasting for a month.
For the whole month.
For the whole month, yeah.
So, sir, the next question is, can you just tell us about a brief history of Ramadan?
So in Quran, chapter 2, verse 185, it says that the Quran was sent in the month of Ramzan. And it was a guidance for all the mankind. And whoever is present all over the world should do fasting during this month. And also the scriptures was revealed in this month.
Is it compulsory for everyone or certain?
No, yeah, it is compulsory for everyone, but those who are traveling, yeah, those who are like on the menstruating time, yeah, yeah, who's breastfeeding and all, they shouldn't do.
And the one who are ill, like they cannot do fasting.
Yeah, it's up to them. It's up to them. But once you turn about 18, it is compulsory for a Muslim to do a fast during this month.
So, the next question is, what is fasting or how is it practiced?
See, fasting is one of the pillars of Islam. There are 4 more pillars like Hajj, charity, namaz. The adult Muslims all over the world should be doing fasting during this month. Yeah, it is compulsory. Already I have told you, except for the people who are menstruating, traveling, or breastfeeding, except for them. Rest, it is compulsory for all of them to do fasting in this month.
So, you can just explain like how it starts, fasting.
All the Muslims are given a particular time. Before morning prayer, they have to eat whatever they want to eat, and after once the prayer is done, they cannot eat. Even they can't swallow their own spit. As I said, they are giving a particular time. After the Maghrib namaz, they can eat whatever they want to eat, but they have to break the fast with the water or with the water or dates.
Is it compulsory to break it in water?
No, it is not compulsory like that.
But individually they cannot even
No,
eat
no,
the single water bottle. So, sir, the next question is like, for how many days does the Ramadan month of the fasting goes on?
See, according to the Islamic calendar or the normal calendar, the fasting days are 29 to 30 days. After that, with the sighting of the crescent moon, the Eid is being celebrated. And once you celebrate the Eid, the holy month ends.
After that, the
Yeah.
one ends. So, the next question is like, how the Eid is celebrated or how the Eid is celebrated?
See, after the sighting of crescent moon, the next morning, an individual gets up. Different mosques provide different times. So, according to that, the individual gets up. After that, they go to mosque according to their prayer time. Once the prayer is been done, they greet each other.
With every mosque provides
Different time, yeah. So,
but it's in the morning only. Right?
yeah, it's morning only. So, after the prayer is been done, they greet each other. They call one another at their places. Yeah, and this continues. Yeah.
So hi guys, I'll just sum up this interview and complete it. As you all know that according to the interview, Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, and in Ramadan people do fasting. It is a holy month according to the Muslims, and it begins like the Ramadan begins in the last night of the Shaban and ends the last night of the Ramadan. According to the chapter 2, according to the Quran chapter 2 verse 185, it said that the Quran was revealed during the month of Ramadan, and which is a guidance for the mankind. And whoever is present, and according to the chapter and verse, whoever is present should fast in this month. And the Muslims believe that all the scriptures were revealed during this month. The next thing is it is called as one of the holiest month according to the Muslims because they believe that the doors of the heaven are open and the doors of the
and are closed in this month, and the shaitan or the devil has been locked or chained up during this month. And an individual completely devotes himself to the God, and is involved completely involved in prayers and good deeds, and stay away from the bad things which are prohibited in Islam. And the next thing is like what is fasting, or how Ramadan how the fast is celebrated in practice in Ramadan. So fasting is one of the according to the interview, fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. There are other pillars also like the namaz, the Hajj, charity, or the alms giving. These are all the pillars of the Islam. So it is compulsory to all the adult Muslims. Fasting is compulsory to all the adult Muslims, but it is except the ones who are breastfeeding or menstruating or who are traveling or who are ill and cannot fast. It is not compulsory for them to practice the fast. But all the adult Muslims who are fit and fine to do fasting, it is compulsory for them. And the fast starts from the morning before all the adult Muslims are keeping the fast. They have to get up in the morning before the sunrise, and they have to eat whatever they want and fill up their stomach. And once the prayers are done, there is a certain time given according to each country has a certain time, and according to that, the
Three.
and he has to eat before the morning prayer, and after that he cannot eat anything nor drink a sip of single water or drop of a single water. And after that, in Maghrib in the evening, which is called as the Maghrib in Islam, before the prayer, before the Maghrib prayers, there is a certain time after the sunset where the person can break a fast. So usually the people break fast with water or date. It is not compulsory to break a fast with water or date, but anything which you have, you can break a fast with that. So the next thing is this goes on for 29 to 30 days. It is called as one of the holiest month, and after that the people celebrate it according to the sighting of the crescent moon. In the Gulf country it is one day before, and in India it is after that. And so the Eid ul Fitr starts like after the sighting of the crescent moon. The people get up in the morning according to the timing given by the mosque for the prayers. They get up, they get dressed, and then wear new clothes, and they go to the mosque and pray. And after the prayers, they greet each other. And after that, they call each other at home, and this goes for all the whole. So this is how the